Identifying and assessing emerging tools and technologies for the K-12 classroom is a challenging task. New technologies and tools are being constantly developed, adding to the already available sea of resources that teachers can integrate into the classroom. Cutting-edge technology is ever-changing, and more sophisticated platforms are introduced continually. It is unreasonable to know all emerging tools and technologies, and even more challenging to apply them all effectively. It is beneficial for teachers to hone their skills in assessing emerging tools and technologies so they can identify if and how new tools and technologies are beneficial. It might be helpful for teachers to leverage professional learning networks to identify and assess emerging tools and technologies. Professional learning networks allow teachers to learn what digital tools fellow teachers are implementing. Technology and instructional coaches are valuable connections for teachers when it comes to identifying which emerging tools and technologies are being used locally and would be good to potentially implement. It also might be beneficial to join professional learning networks supported by associated technology companies. Teachers who join company-supported professional learning networks will have opportunities to learn about the technologies and assess whether the technologies are suited for the classroom. One way to find professional learning networks is searching social media platforms such as Facebook or Twitter. When assessing whether emerging tools and technologies should be used in the classroom, it is important to consider if the emerging tool or technology is appropriate for the students' ages and skill levels. Additionally, it is important to determine if school-issued student devices meet the technology requirements of the digital tool. Reviewing technology requirements helps to avoid unintentionally using emerging tools and technologies that are not supported by the school device or do not comply with the school's permissions and safety protocols. Some emerging tools and technologies require users to open accounts, so it is important to investigate if and how to sign up and if there is a cost to the tool or technology. Also, specific attention should be paid to the terms and conditions, as there are often age limits or requirements. Some digital tools have a 13 or older clause that limits tool use for students under 13. Paying close attention is paramount to confirm that emerging tools and technologies are in compliance with school or district guidelines and protocols for approval of digital tools. A good practice is to always check that digital tools work on students' school-issued devices, as teacher and student accounts and permissions are often different. It is beneficial to assess emerging tools and technologies through Common Sense Education. Common Sense Media is a nonprofit organization devoted to helping parents and teachers assess media. Within Common Sense Media, Common Sense Education is a portion of the organization that is specifically designed to support teachers. One of their main features is a database of tools and technologies. The database houses information that is beneficial to teachers as they assess whether emerging tools and technologies are appropriate and beneficial for classroom use. The database provides comprehensive descriptions of the main features of each digital tool or technology and includes experience from other teachers who had already used them in the classroom. A 5-star rating system is used to score the tool or technology and is based on student engagement, pedagogy, and support. A community rating based on the teacher's experiences is also offered, considering students' approval of the tool and student learning. Additionally, a privacy rating is offered that focuses on student safety when using the digital tool, user rights over their data, and user tracking. Other categories available in Common Sense's reviews are applicable grade level, subject and skills, and types of activities recommended. Additional resources on identifying and assessing emerging tools and technologies are available on this webpage. Resources include a printable summary, related examples, articles, blogs, infographics, and videos, and links to other related blended and online teaching hub topics.